Hey everyone, this is Anish from the Vanguard team, and we are super excited to announce that we'll be offering our Unit 4 intake for both Williams Landing as well as our Glen Waverley campus. As always, we'll be offering an exclusive 2-week free trial for anyone at these campuses to get to know our services, and if anything, get some free resources for chemistry and some free help. You guys are probably wondering, what the hell is in it for you? I've been running the Vanguard Chemistry course for 3 years, and there are 3 cardinal things that make this Unit 4 period so vital. The first thing that I'm going to be offering is my Separator SAC Workshops. Anyone that attendees already knows are absolute bangers. You guys will finally get access to actually high quality separators. Actually good questions written by people that have done the subject, done really well, that know exactly all the loopholes and things that you need to understand. And number 2 is you're actually going to get access to keyword banks in these content masterclasses. And that's exactly what you need to master on your final exam. Skip needing to do, 100 exams to get all the keywords. People have done it for you. Why waste your time? And the last thing, which is our absolute Vanguard specialty, is going to be our 10-week exam course, where you will get exclusive access to our exam enhancement mini modules, which take place at the end of the year and have time and time again showed unbelievable student success. If you guys are serious about actually upgrading your chemistry, this is your time to act, and it's a 2-week free trial, so you're going to benefit anyway. Give it a shot. If you don't believe me, look at my track record. Student testimonials, past DUXs, and I think there's a real reason why this year, about 50% of my students are gunning for that 45 to 50. They know I can give you the resources, they know I can give you the teaching, and they know I've got what it takes to push you guys to score absolute excellence. So stop wasting time, book a free trial, and you're going to experience the Vanguard difference with us.